I just got my Stanley Quencher Pro Tour Flip Straw Tumbler. I got the 40 ounce and I got it in the rose quartz. So I'm going to do just a quick unpacking. I haven't seen it yet, and I love all of my Stanley products. I mean, who doesn't? Let's take a look at how it looks. Ooh, it's very pretty. I love it. I love, this is the fade, the rose quartz fade, and that you can kind of see the design on it here. And it's got a two-tone top here with the flip straw. Ooh, I love this. This is so much. I tell you, getting one of these is like if the old Quench 2.0 tumbler had a baby with the flip top Quencher 2.0 as well. I mean, it has the best of both of those, best features of both of those, and I'm really tickled by it. It's just, first of all, it's gorgeous. I love the colors on it. I have a Stanley, the crossbody, that looks kind of like a flask. Love that one. And it's in the rose quartz, so it's definitely a color I do love. This has a really nice soft grip handle on it, and it's a really big one, which I love because that means that people with all different size hands can use it. And it has the base that actually fits in the cup holder of most cars. And that means that it's actually just shy of 3 inches across the bottom. It's like 2 7/8 inch, and it's 4 inches across the top. And it is 10.5 inches tall. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it has the great big straw that makes for faster hydration. Now, the quencher top is also, the flip top is also really great because it's easy to take apart for washing. You just pull this out, and that way you can wash all of it really, really well with. I absolutely love this so much. Now, let me tell you a few things about it. The 40 ounce one is actually going to keep things cold for up to 11 hours. And if you have ice in it, it's going to keep it iced and really cold for up to 2 days. So that is really a long time. I also want to tell you that this is dishwasher safe. They want to make sure that you understand that that is in a personal home version of a dishwasher and not a commercial dishwasher like washing it at a restaurant and running it through. That just has a lot of features on the commercial that are not good for this. So you also need to know not to use detergents when you're with high levels of chlorine or bleach, because that can lead to the vacuum feature of it not working, and it all without worrying about leaving stuff in it that's just going to get kind of, I don't want to say moldy, but yeah. So this makes it really easy to clean, and that is a really easy one to flip. That's easier to flip than a lot of them. And when you do flip it, it actually gives a little vent hole in it, so that makes it for smoother drinking. So I really love that. And just the fact that this has this really great feature of being able to hold it like a tumbler and carry it around like a tumbler, but if it gets knocked over, it's not going to spill. Where if you knock over one that has a straw like this, you're going to get a little bit of a spill out of it. So this is genius to put this flip top on the tumbler. So affects the thermal performance, the part that keeps it cool. This is a dual layer insulation with the stainless steel, the 18-8 stainless steel that it is made of. It also has little screws right here, so if the handle does get a little loose, you can use, it looks like a little Allen wrench would fit in there, and you can tighten it up. So I love that as well. Overall, absolutely adore this. I love everything about it. Stanley's been around for a long, long time, since 1913, and the only way they can be around that long, it means that they're doing stuff right. Isn't it pretty?